Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add questions or notes to our videos on Edpuzzle before assigning it to our students. Let us directly go to our Google Chrome. Here is my Edpuzzle homepage. Now I will open the menu here and then directly go to my content where all my saved content and videos will be available. So I'll just go to English grammar folder. And here there is this parts of speech video which I have saved into my folder. So I'll just open this video, and then on this top right you have this menu option. Click on it and then go to edit. So that's when you can edit this video. Now I want to add questions, so I will select this questions option. Now you can add multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or notes. So first we will start with note. So you can either type your notes, you can give whatever information you want here, or you can also record the notes here. By clicking on this, you can record a voice note also for the video. And then you will have to save it. You can also redo this voice note by deleting it. So we'll delete it for now. I will type that today we will learn about parts of speech. So this is what this video will teach my students. So whenever my students open this video, they will see this note which will pop up. So this note will pop up in the beginning. You see this small dot here. So it will pop up in the beginning, just like this. And now I will just click here, somewhere here, and I will pause the video. So when the video is at 25th second, I want to ask one more question. I will now add a multiple choice question. So multiple choice question could be what is adjective. So this is just because I can check the understanding of my students. And then I can give options. You can also add your answer choice here. And then you can tell the system which answer is correct and which is wrong. So I told the system that the first two answers are correct and the third one is wrong. And then I will just type something here for example, and then I'm going to just save this. So as you can see, when the video comes to this 25th second, automatically this question will pop up. Now we'll just click continue. And then I will click somewhere here and then pause the video. So here I want to ask a open-ended question. So I will ask what is a noun, and now my students have to type the answer. So whenever a student is watching the videos, so you see this small dots. So the first one was your notes, second one was your multiple choice question, and this third dot is your open-ended question. So they will have to acknowledge the notes, they will have to answer the multiple choice question, they will have to answer the open-ended questions. That's when they can watch the video, and you can track the live progress of the student, whether they have answered the question rightly or not. Now if you want to remove the question or the notes, you can just zoom in and then you have to long press for 1 or 2 seconds. It might take some time because it is not very sensitive. So now I have holded it for few seconds and then this appeared. Now I want to remove this open-ended question. So I will just click on this, delete. That's it. You can anytime add any question anywhere. You can also remove questions. After everything is done, you can click on this edit and you can change the name of the video. And then once you are done, you can finish. So that's it. As you can see, at these 2 points, there might be notes or questions which you have added. And now your students will have to mandatorily answer all these questions. That's when they can move forward. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now you will be easily able to add questions or notes to your videos on Edpuzzle. Thank you.